how to leave a review on VR games. I'm going to tell you how to leave a review on VR games. First, open the platform where you bought your VR game. Most of the time, that's MetaQuest Store or Steam VR. On MetaQuest, just go to your library, select the game you want, then scroll down until you see ratings and reviews. Tap write a review, give it a star rating, and type in your feedback. On Steam VR, open your library in Steam, right click the game, select manage, write a review, then leave your thoughts and hit post. Reviews help developers improve and also help other players decide if the game is worth buying. So it's always good to share your honest experience. Try to mention if the game runs smoothly, if there are any bugs or what you enjoyed most. Even a short review makes a difference in the VR community.